Hey guys, Sam here. I decided to do a quick little tutorial series about my entire hand painting process. This will kind of envelop the whole thing from start to finish, where you create a low poly model, you bring it into ZBrush, do a nice high poly sculpt, um, export it, kind of do some unwrapping with it, set it up for baking, taking it into a substance painter, using a thing called so much diffuse to get a really nice base to paint on, and then taking it into 3D coat and bouncing between that and Photoshop to kind of get this final hand painted look you're seeing right here. Along the way, I'll kind of bring up some techniques I found. This could be from unwrapping to like modeling to what I found works for baking and stuff, and just little tidbits here and there. This is by no means like a super professional and clean tutorial series, but I just think it's a good way for me to kind of talk about my whole process, and discuss some hand painting principles and modeling principles and all that stuff. So if you're interested, stay tuned. I'll have quite a few videos up about it. Should be somewhere around 5 to 7 hours long. Totally free. You're welcome to use and share around, and then you're also welcome to jump around as you see fit if you're just trying to pick up a particular skill in the pipeline. So I'm looking forward to having you guys watch it. Hopefully you can get something out of it, and I will see you in the next video.